The COUNTX function counts the non-blank result when evaluating the result of an expression over a table. That is, it works just like the counter function, but is used to iterate through the rows in a table and count rows where the specified expression result is a non-blank result, and it's something more dynamic. I mean, you can use any expression with this COUNTX function, and if you don't need to use any expression, then you can simply use the counter function instead of COUNTX. Let's see an example. So count x count x, and then here we have to input a table and then expression. Okay, so as an example, we'll be use the table here, the table, and then we have to input comma and then expression. So I mean, the expression should be which column you wants to count. So like I would like to name count, and if I close bracket, and then it will be calculate the COUNTX, but this is not the correct way for use the COUNTX. So instead of this, we will be use a filter function with it, like we would like to filter the trading name where it's anomaly, and then it should be counted the another columns. Okay, let's see this. So I would like to this is the COUNTX, so we'll be use here the filter function. So filter, and then this is the table name, and there here now input the expression. So here like we would like to input sector equal, and then codes, and now here we need to input the values, and then close the bracket and then comma, and then the COUNTX expression, what should be the column. So like I would like to count the symbol, and then close bracket. Okay, so now you have to input the stock. So what should be the stock? So let's see some stocks name over there, sector here, consumer staples, so will be right here. I think consumer staples, and we inputted here consumer staples. So now it will be count the non-blank values where it's have the consumer staples. So let me insert, I think sorry, consumer. Okay, so consumer staples, now it's counted how much it is. So let me check. So 66k. So where it's sector equal consumer staples, then it will be counted. So this is the best practice for COUNTX function with filter function.